Pleasant day to one and all. At this juncture, I am going to present about Father of our nation. An eye for an eye will only make the whole world blind. This is a famous quotation by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who is popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi or Babu. Mahatma Gandhiji's birthday on 2nd October is often called as Gandhi Jayanti, which is celebrated each and every corner of the globe. It is a national holiday. The United Nations has greatly honored Mahatma Gandhi and has made 2nd October as the International Day of Non-Violence. India is a country of saints and saints. Such great men from time to time come and absolve the country. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was such a Mahatma. He was born to free Mother India from the fetters of bondage and slavery. He led the country of freedom. His weapons were truth and non-violence. He brought freedom to 1/5 of humanity. He waged no war. He shed no blood. Still he brought freedom. So all the world called him the father of Indian nation. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His father was a Diwan. His mother was a highly religious lady. He passed his school from Rajkot. He went to England to study law. There he got his bar at law degree. In 1913, he went to South Africa to oversee a lawsuit. There, the white English persecuted the Indians. Gandhiji's heart wept to see it. He resorted to Satyagraha against the black laws. He succeeded in his mission. He returned to India in 1915. On the appeal of Gopal Krishnan Gokhale, a disused congressman, Gandhiji joined Congress. He toured the entire country. He found British high-handedness everywhere. Now he jumped in the affairs of the country heart and soul. He began his non-cooperation movement in 1920. He got the support of every Indian. He led the famous Dandi March and violated the infamous Salt Law. He began his historic Quiet India movement in 1942 at Bombay. He faced all odds very bravely. He was sentenced to jail for a number of times. In short, he was a jailbird. Mahatma Gandhiji is revered in India as the father of nation. Much more, because before the Constitution of Free India conferred the title of the father of the nation upon Mahatma, it was Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose who first addressed him as such in his condolence message to Mahatma on the dismissal of Kasturibai. Nobody would be more happy than ourselves if by any chance our countrymen at home should succeed in liberating themselves through their own effort or by an chance. The British government accepts your Quit India resolution and gives effort to it. We are, however, proceeding on the assumption that neither of the above is possible and that a struggle is inevitable. Father of our nation, in this holy war for India's liberation, we ask for your blessings and good wishes. The above message also proves beyond any doubt Netaji's reverence and warm feelings towards Gandhiji, whom he addressed as the father of nation. Mahatma Gandhi made people realize the value of chakra, that is the spinning wheel. Moreover, Mahatma Gandhi used to produce his own clothes by using the portable chakra, and soon the spinning wheel became the symbol of Indian independence. Too, Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter who devoted his life for India's independence. He was the follower of simple living and high thinking. Gandhiji wanted to create an ideal society by removing untouchability. Plus, Gandhiji was the moving spirit behind the Congress organization and the freedom movement. The major movements led by Mahatma Gandhiji are Champaran Movement 1917, Kheda Movement 1918, Khilafat Movement 1919, Non-Cooperation Movement 1920, Civil Disobedience Movement Dandi March 1930, Quit India Movement 1942. Moreover, we learning from Mahatma Gandhiji's three monkeys. The one shutting his mouth tells us we should not speak ill of anybody. The one shutting his ears tells us that we should not hear the ills of anybody. The one shutting his eyes tells us we should not see the ills of anybody. In 1942, he led the famous Quit India movement. The slogans Britishers leave India echoed from every nook and corner of the country. He was thrown behind the bars many times. Gandhiji gave the famous slogans like Do or Die and British leave India. It was under his guidance that the country became free. In 1947, India became free after centuries of slavery. Gandhiji was assassinated on 30th January 1948 by Nathuram Godse. Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram Padita Pavana Sitaram. This song was often sung at Mahatma Gandhiji's prayer gatherings, as well as Mahatma Gandhi gave best advice to youths. You must be the change if you want to see in the world. If I have the belief that I can do it, I shall surely acquire the capacity to do it, even if I may not have it at the beginning. My life is my message. Honest disagreement is often a good sign of progress. Glory lies in the attempt to reach one's goal and not reaching it. To lose patience is to lose the battle. It is difficult but not impossible to conduct strictly honest business. As human beings, our greatness lies not so much in being able to remake the world, that is the myth of atomic age, as in being able to ourselves. If we want to reach real peace in this world, we should start educating children. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. Further, Mahatma Gandhi may be no longer with us, but as the opening quote says it all, his teaching will always inspire us. Hence, let us contribute towards the growth and development of the country to take his legacy forward. Jai Hind. Thank you.